I am back on my grandmother's roof. The bread is gone. I don't know who took it, but it was a goose. Or maybe that bigger animal that I was talking about earlier. I don't see any seagulls, so I doubt it was them. Look at that inconspicuous creature. Where did she go? Oh, look. Look at that inconspicuous creature right there. Maybe she took the bread. We don't know for sure. But I bet that somebody took it. Well, obviously somebody took it because it's out here. Okay, I think it's time to get down before my grandmother thinks Santa's here.